Hi boys and girls, how are you? Thank you for coming in again today. Sorry I'm a little bit late with this tutorial today, but I had a few technical difficulties with our new equipment, so I've had to revert back to doing the videos the old way, so I hope they're okay. Today we're going to be doing art using our little tubs that I gave you on Saturday. And there's lots of ideas that you can use these for, and I'm sure you have lots of ideas yourselves, and if that's the case, then that's okay. Go ahead and do your own little art project. But if you want to have some ideas, then that's what these video tutorials are all about. It's just to kind of help you on your way, but you're more than welcome to do whatever you wish with any of the materials I give you. And this is what I made from the tub. Okay, I thought grannies and grandpas might be a little bit sad not being able to see you guys, so maybe you could make them a little sweet basket. See that? Now guys, it's taken me all my power not to be able to eat those sweets so that I can show you what it looks like. But it's just a little basket with little flowers on and a little handle, and you can put little sweeties in there. I've also made a little, I suppose you'd call it a tractor or a car, and there's a couple of animals in there and some people in there. So you can make that as well. So I'm just going to show you how to do these real quick, and then you can make them then yourselves. So you probably noticed I'm sitting in the birthday throne today, and the reason for that is, before I get started, is a little birdie told me there's been a few kids who've had birthday parties or have had birthdays this week and last week and had to cancel their parties, and that's so sad. So if it has been your birthday in the last couple of weeks or in the next couple of weeks, just let me know and we'll have a little birthday surprise for you. Okay, that we can give when we give out the art kits. So just send me a little text and we'll make sure and do that for you, because it must be awful not to be able to have your friends to help you celebrate your birthday. It's my birthday in a few weeks as well, and I know it's going to be awful. So I'm hoping that you guys will send me in lots of artwork. Okay, so I'm going to start with the little car or tractor or whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to show you how to make that. So first thing you do is you get your tub, and then you're going to get some cardboard. You should have that in your bag as well. And you're going to draw a small circle. I've used the bottom of this little cup. And you're going to draw 4 of them, okay? And then you're going to cut them out. And then once you've cut them out, you're going to draw little tire designs on them like that, okay? And then you're going to put stickers on the back and peel off the stickies. And then stick it on to the side of your little tub. Now guys, if you're struggling with the double-sided stickers and you run out and you can't get any more because of whatever reason, if shop's closed or whatever, just let me know, because I do have a little stock of them. I don't have a huge amount, but I do have some. And if you're really struggling and you have nothing to stick your things with, just let me know and I can give you some, okay? But try to be very careful with them and use them sparingly, okay? So I've stuck on my little wheels. Next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little piece of cardboard across to hold that part of the car. So get your cardboard, okay, and then turn your tub upside down and just measure how much you need to go right across, okay? So I'm just going to put it at the edge there, and I'm just going to get my marker, put a little mark there, and that's where I know that's where I cut. Hope you notice I put my lid back on. So that's where I'm going to cut. So I'm going to cut straight across. So now I have a piece of cardboard, doesn't matter what colour it is, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick that just going across there so that I can have a little place to put my little carriage for my car. So I'm going to put stickers across there on the edge. So just get my stickers. Now guys, remember, if you have managed to get these from deals, cut each strip in half. And that way you get twice as much use out of them, okay? Because you don't need the big stickers. You can use small ones, and most of the activities I do would use the small stickers, not the big ones. Anyone who's come to Imagination Station knows that we don't use the big stickers, we use the small ones. So I'm just going to put the stickers on there, on the edge, on the box, put 2 on each side, and then I'm just going to stick that piece down there, okay? So that's going to give me a little base to put my little carriage on there, okay? Now, you don't have this in your box, but if you get any kind of box from that size box from your cupboard, I got a cappuccino box, but if you look in your cupboard, I'm sure you'll find a box about that size. Flatten it, and then cut a strip straight down. Mommy and Daddy could help you with this if you're struggling. Okay, so now I have just a square, okay? But I don't want to see all this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reverse it. And how we do that is we look inside, and if you can see, there's just a little flap there. Can you see that? So I'm just going to very carefully open that flap, just very carefully like that, and then reverse it. So press down all the creases so that it'll turn around easy for you, like that. And then you're just going to stick a sticker there to put that on there like that, okay? So I'm just going to get my sticker again. Lost it, there it is. So put my sticker on there. So now I have my little square, okay? And you can decorate this, guys, in whatever way you want. You can colour it in. I've coloured mine in, and I've coloured it in green, and I've drawn on doors. And then I've also put in some of the foil inside of the box so that my little characters have somewhere to sit. And I've also put on a little back seat there. I've also stuck on some lights with the gold foil. So you can decorate it whichever way you want, okay? So you have to use your imagination. And once you've done that, you can put it on the top of your little piece of cardboard there. Then you can get some wool or some strips of paper or anything you like to put into the back. And then you can stick on, you can put little characters in there as well. I got a little sheep and a little, is that a donkey or a horse? Horse. And then you can stick on little indicators and things like that. And that's it. That's all you do for that. So really easy. And then you can play away to your heart's content with that. The next thing we're going to do then is make our basket, okay? Another easy peasy activity. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get some of your corrugated paper, and you're going to cut it into a strip long enough that would be for a handle. And you're going to place it down. You can colour this in, guys. You can have fun colouring this in because it's kind of jaggedy shape, you can, and it has ridges, you can have fun colouring it in. So you just get your markers and or your crayons and just run them along, and you can do all kinds of patterns, put lots of colours in. Can you see that? Just run it along, and you can mix the colours up and go all along your strip. Can you see that? So it's kind of put a nice pattern. Then what you can do is you can colour in the lines in between the ridges as well. So you just get a marker and you can just run along the inside of each of those little ridges like that, okay? And it's making a kind of pretty pattern there. And I should say, guys, always make sure that you have newspaper or an old tablecloth or something underneath you when you're working, especially when we're working with permanent markers or paints. So we always want to make sure we have something underneath so we don't damage the surface. It's okay here because we don't care about getting paints on the table, but at home you have to be careful, okay? So once you have your strip decorated, you're going to put a sticker on the other side, so on the flat side. You're going to put your stickers on either end, one on either end. And again, peel off your paper and stick it then to your tub on either end. And then what you can do then is decorate with the flowers. So you're going to stick the flowers all around the edge and on the strip. So all I did, guys, was I just got a piece of, this is a bit of yellow card, but you can use any colour. But try and use card more than paper. But if you don't have card, use paper. Paper is just as good. So I'm going to draw a flower, okay? So I'm going to draw a circle. Hopefully I can do this flat on the surface. And then I'm just going to draw 5 petals. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? And then you can colour it in and do designs on it if you want. And then you're going to cut it out. So there's my little flower there I've cut out. And I'm just going to put a bit of red in the middle. And so there's my flower. And I'm going to put a sticker on the back and then stick it on. And then I'm going to go all around the edge and maybe even put some up here as well. And decorate it like so. And then you can put some cut up tissue paper or some of your wool inside and then put some little sweeties in. And that'll be a lovely gift for Grandma when you see her. Or if you don't want to do that, you can keep this for Easter and use it as a basket for collecting all your little Easter eggs, okay? So it's really pretty and really easy to do. And I just want to say, guys, I've noticed that you're all sending your pictures in and they're amazing. So if you've done all your 5 art projects for this week, you just need to send me one picture of them all together, and then you will get your free slime kit on Saturday. But along with that, you will get other materials as well, because we'll be doing the very same next week by doing an art tutorial every day. Or you can do your own imagination ideas. You can make whatever you want. I'm just doing the tutorials just to help you. But that will be all available to collect on Saturday. So just put all your pictures into one, all your artworks into one picture, and send it to me or upload it, I'll get Mummy and Daddy to upload it onto Facebook. And I can't wait to see them. And then I can make a video out of all of them, okay? And remember, if it's your birthday, let me know, and we'll have a little treat here for you on Saturday. All right? Hope you're having fun doing all the art. Can't wait to see them. Take care, guys. Bye.